Step into the world of sophistication and timeless luxury. This is the 2025 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham, a name synonymous with elegance, now reimagined for the modern era. At first glance, the Fleetwood Brougham commands attention. The bold, intricately designed grille, flanked by slim, high-definition LED headlights, gives it a presence that's impossible to ignore. The iconic Cadillac crest stands proudly at the center, a symbol of the brand's legacy. The 2025 Fleetwood Brougham is more than just a luxury sedan. It's a masterpiece of engineering, blending the classic charm of Cadillac's heritage with the cutting-edge technology of today. Step inside, and you're greeted by an interior that redefines comfort. The seats, wrapped in semi-aniline leather, are meticulously stitched, offering both elegance and ergonomic support. The hand-finished wood trim and brushed aluminum accents exude sophistication, creating a space where luxury meets functionality. At the heart of the cabin lies Cadillac's next-generation infotainment system. A 15-inch OLED touchscreen provides intuitive control over navigation, media, and vehicle settings. Paired with a fully customizable digital driver display, staying informed and entertained has never been this seamless. Enhancing the ambiance, a customizable 32-color LED lighting system bathes the interior in a soft glow. Whether you prefer a calming blue or a bold red, the Fleetwood Brougham adjusts to match your mood. Passengers in the rear are treated to first-class amenities. With an additional 5 inches of legroom compared to previous models, the rear cabin offers generous space for relaxation. Heated and ventilated seats, individual climate controls, and dual 10-inch entertainment screens ensure that every journey is as comfortable as it is enjoyable. The Fleetwood Brougham isn't just a car, it's a statement. From its adaptive air suspension that ensures a silky smooth ride to its advanced aerodynamics that enhance efficiency, every detail is designed to impress. Under the hood, the Fleetwood Brougham offers a choice of powertrains. The standard 4.2-liter twin-turbocharged V8 delivers 500 horsepower, ensuring robust performance. For those seeking more efficiency, an all-new plug-in hybrid variant combines a 2.0-liter turbo engine with electric motors, providing a total output of 450 horsepower and an impressive electric-only range of 40 miles. Safety is paramount in the Fleetwood Brougham. Equipped with Cadillac's Super Cruise 3.0, the vehicle offers hands-free driving on over 400,000 miles of compatible highways. Additional features include a 360-degree camera system, automatic emergency braking, and night vision assist, providing peace of mind for every journey. Practicality meets luxury with a cavernous trunk that offers 19 cubic feet of storage. The hands-free power liftgate ensures effortless loading, whether you're heading out for a weekend getaway or a business trip. Driving the 2025 Fleetwood Brougham is an experience in itself. The precise steering and adaptive suspension make handling a dream, whether you're cruising through city streets or winding country roads. The cabin remains whisper quiet, thanks to advanced soundproofing and active noise cancellation. Staying connected is effortless. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with a built-in 5G hotspot. A wireless charging pad ensures your devices are always powered up, while a 19-speaker AKG Studio reference sound system delivers an unparalleled audio experience. The Fleetwood Brougham offers a range of personalization options. Choose from an array of premium paint finishes, including Midnight Blue Metallic, Radiant Silver, and Black Raven. Complement your choice with wheels ranging from 19 to 22 inches, each designed to enhance the car's commanding stance. The 2025 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham is more than just a car. It's a legacy redefined for a new era. With its perfect blend of heritage, innovation, and luxury, it sets a new standard for what a flagship sedan should be. Experience the pinnacle of automotive excellence. The 2025 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham. Crafted to inspire, engineered to lead. Visit your local Cadillac dealership to learn more. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews of the latest in luxury vehicles.